switch replacements for customizing or maintaining your keyboard. Always start by unplugging the keyboard from your device to ensure safety while swapping out the keys or switches. First, use the key puller tool by gripping the keycap and pulling it upward to remove it from the keyboard. Once the keycap is removed, flip the tool and use the switch puller to carefully remove the switch by gripping it and pulling firmly. The Hotswap module supports a range of switches including Gateron, Automu, and KL switches, giving you plenty of options to personalize your typing feel. Now, take one of the provided extra switches, align it with the slot with legs at the bottom, and firmly press it into place till the clips get engaged. Finally, place the keycap back over the new switch and push down until it fits securely. With your switches replaced, you're ready to take full advantage of the EvoFox Ronin's versatility.